Hey everyone, hope we're all doing well. So we're revisiting the misfiring problem I'm having with this GX200 engine, which is running on propane gas. So what I did was I regapped the spark plug, and this solved the problem for a little while. I was able to run it all the way up to full power, where at full power it'd misfire occasionally, but the problem that hugely improved, almost totally went away. And then when I took it out on the road to test, the problem just came right back again. So I'm not too sure what's going on there. I tried running the engine up to full speed unloaded, so I just disconnected the bridge rectifier, and then that just ran fine. It would run as fast as I could possibly make it, and probably it would over rev and damage itself, so I didn't run it all the way up, but I could run it probably up to a destruction speed. So under load it is misfiring quite severely, uh, usually while the van is moving for some odd reason, but even when it's not moving as well, it doesn't make any sense to me at all. So it narrows the problem down. It's almost certainly got to be the ignition system, so I need to get myself a high energy CDI ignition, but I've no idea where to get them. The only place I understand that they're used is in cars or like drag racers, but of course they're putting 40 amps through the spark plugs. I'm not quite needing that much, but I don't know. The spark on this looks quite weak anyway, about the same as the spark you'd see on the magneto ignitions you get, so it's the CDI spark compared to a magneto ignition, it just isn't that much stronger. So when you look at the spark, yeah, it's just quite weak. Regapping the spark plug seemed to help once, and then I took the spark plug again, just took it out again, checked it. The gap was still the same, 0.6 millimeters. I hadn't changed, so I have absolutely no idea what's going on.